do one last final video and walk around with the car. I've never actually kind of filmed it in the way it needs to be. This car's probably been done like 10 years now. The 81 Trans Am has a LS. I think it's a 6.2, I believe. It's been a while, I can't remember exactly. But I know it makes 380 to the wheel. Very mild work done to it. Nothing crazy or radical. I just love this car. Beautiful bird. It's a nice driver, nice daily driver. Under the hood. It's always a work in progress, so these type of things, they're just toys, so they always improve over time. Beautiful car though. All right, I'm out. Y'all take care. Peace.